In this video, I'll show you how to use Wise for international transfers. Start by opening the Wise app and signing into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one and complete any required verification steps. Once you're inside, tap Send Money. Enter the amount you want to send and choose the currency you're sending from and the currency the recipient will receive. Wise will automatically show the exchange rate and any fees before you continue. Next, enter the recipient's details. Depending on the destination country, you may need to provide their name, bank account information, and other required details. Double-check everything to avoid delays. After that, review the transfer summary. Make sure the amount, exchange rate, fees, and recipient information are correct. If everything looks good, tap Continue. Now, choose how you want to pay for the transfer. You can usually pay using a bank account, debit card, credit card, or your Wise balance, depending on what's available in your region. Once the payment is confirmed, Wise will begin processing your transfer. You can track the progress directly in the app and receive updates as the money moves through each stage. Finally, wait for the transfer to be completed. The delivery time depends on the currencies, payment method, and destination country. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Wise for international transfers. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.